Watch AI create a SEO performance and keyword analytics dashboard from scratch in under 2 minutes. This is what we're building. This is the data we're working with. Let's create it live. We start by importing our data file. The upload is complete. Now we click Create Dashboard and Bricks AI begins analyzing our SEO data, identifying patterns in impressions, clicks, and keyword performance. The AI is intelligently creating multiple visualizations, including trend charts for monthly impressions and clicks, keyword performance metrics, and CTR analysis. It's building comprehensive tables and generating insights from our website analytics data. Our SEO performance and keyword analytics dashboard is complete with 6 interactive charts and 2 detailed tables covering everything from top-performing keywords to website traffic trends. We can instantly customize the theme to match our brand. Now let's explore presentation mode for client meetings and reports. This full-screen view showcases our SEO metrics beautifully, perfect for presentations where we need to highlight keyword rankings, traffic patterns, and performance insights clearly. Back to edit mode, we can interact with every chart, filter data, and dive deeper into our SEO analytics. Try Bricks today and transform your data workflow.